Hey guys, my name is Daryl Meekins, and I, along with my wife Casey and our three daughters, live in Cape Town, South Africa. And we have lived here on and off for the last several years now, and currently are involved in doing theological education and training, microeconomic enterprises, and a number of other things in the educational world out here in South Africa, which is a really interesting place to be. Now, I've been asked to answer a couple of questions for you, so hopefully I can do those. I think the first is kind of what led us out here. Why do we serve over here? And I think I guess for us, a big part of that is because it's where I'm from originally. So I grew up here. And have lived here, for many years. My wife, Casey, she's from good old New Jersey. So this isn't her home, but it has become her home. And we just felt like we could make a difference here, and also enjoy bringing students out from the States to see how God is working in the other side of the world as well. So that's always cool to see that happening. What kind of food do we eat here? People like to eat meat, so not too many vegans out here, but we enjoy some good meat. We enjoy barbecues and stuff like that. So people eat a lot of chicken and a lot of beef and stuff like that. But one of the things that surprised a lot of people is that we have pretty much all the same kind of fast food stuff that you have in the States. Burger King and Dunkin' Donuts and McDonald's, Subway, KFC, all that stuff's here. So, we get high cholesterol along with the rest of the world. What's life for a kid like here compared to America? That's a good question to answer. I guess my kids would be the best ones to answer that. I think the big difference, I suppose, is that it's not the safest place to be over here, so we tend to do a lot more stuff, not so much in the neighborhood. You don't see kids kind of riding their bikes up and down the street as much because it's not really safe to do that. But kids still do pretty much the same kinds of things, a lot of outdoor stuff, because it doesn't get super cold here, so there's no like snow and snowboarding and stuff like that. So people tend to do a lot of stuff outside. We're right by the beach, about 10 minutes away from the beach. We're about 15 minutes away from the mountains. So, lots of outdoor hiking, walking, running, beach stuff, surfing. So a lot of cool stuff to do outside, that's for sure. And, lots of sports. So our kids enjoy that. So how far are we from the ocean? I'll answer that question. So we're about 10 minutes from the beach, which is really cool. Lots of sharks in the ocean though, so I don't go there too much. Next question. How long does it take to get to South Africa? So from JFK, from New York, it is about 15 hours to Johannesburg. And then it is another 2 hours on the airplane to Cape Town. So it's not quick. There's no quick way to get here, unfortunately. I'm still waiting for that. So about 17 hours on the airplane to get here. But once you're here, it's all worthwhile. So I hope that answers your questions. I'd love to engage with you guys if you have any more questions for us. And if you ever feel like you want to come out and, spend the 17 hours on the airplane and, come hang out with us, look at some of the things we do, some of the ministries we're involved in, and, especially, for college kids and stuff like that. There's a lot going on that we're involved in. So, especially if you end up at Clark Summit University in Pennsylvania, I teach for them and lead the study abroad experience for them. So, be a great chance for us to meet. So, take care, and wish you all the best for the rest of your time there.